Hello and a warm welcome to Peppy Sage, and it's a very quick video about what should be the luggage size for international baggages. So today I'm going to cover your check-in luggage and your carry-on baggage. I will also tell you every details about your luggage dimension as well as how much you should pack in one luggage. Okay, how many luggages you should pack according to international standards and all of that, because many of you has asked me the question regarding your luggage size. So as you can see, I have my two luggages over here. Now first of all, let's talk about the luggage dimension. Okay, so your luggage is measured as dimension. You will get three sizes to calculate the total size of your luggage. For international travel, the maximum luggage size that is allowed is 62 inches. It's 62 linear inches, which means you have to measure the length, breadth and height of your luggage. So as you can see that I have this American Tourister with me. I was not sure if it is American Tourister or Samsonite, because I have a Samsonite. So this is a 62-inch American Tourister. It's a hardcover, so there is no restriction about hardcover or soft cover suitcase. First of all, let me tell you how should you measure your suitcase. So if I turn it this way, you can see first of all you have to measure starting from the wheels, means from the floor to this much, like this much. So this should be the length of your suitcase, then the breadth of your suitcase, and then the width of your suitcase. So the length is this one, then the breadth is from this side to this side, and you have to measure this side as well. So 1, 2 and 3 sides of your suitcase, measure it, add them up, and you will find the total linear size of your suitcase in inches. Make sure you measure your suitcase in inches, because internationally inch is a standard measurement. So this is the largest check-in baggage you can carry along with yourself. So when it comes to carry-on bag, the dimension mentioned for carry-on baggage for most of the international flight in inches is 22 into 14 into 9. That means you have to add up all three, which comes to 45 inches. I'm giving you all these information because if you are carrying an oversized bag, then there might be some problem at the airport, or you may have to pay for oversized bags at the airport as well, which can be very costly. Make sure when you are measuring a carry-on, your handles and wheels are also counted into it. If you think you are not counting the wheels, then there will be a problem. Even 1 inch is an issue. So make sure that every inch of your luggage is counted. So this is a good example of a carry-on. So this is a carry-on luggage or a carry-on bag which I carried along with me, and for international flights from India to USA, I traveled in Emirates, and 7 kg of hand luggage was allowed along with me. So this is quite a sturdy bag, and I have few of the findings about your carry-on when you are traveling for a long distance, like for 10 to 15 to 20 hours of flight. So you can watch that video over there. I will link it in the description box as well. I have mentioned about things to do and not to do about your carry-on while traveling for a long distance flight. That will make your life simply easier. So this luggage is according to the carry-on baggage rule according to the TSA. So now let's talk about the packing restrictions for luggages. So I have a detailed video where I have discussed what are the packaging rules for hand luggage as well as carry-on, especially the liquid rule, which is mentioned and very strictly followed by TSA. You will find the link over there. I will also put it in the description box so that it becomes easier for you to pack. Apart from that, most airlines allow you to carry 7 kgs of hand luggage and 30 kg of check-in luggage, but check with your airlines provider, because for different countries, for example, when we were coming to USA, our luggage allowance for check-in was 46 kg. So it might vary according to the country you are traveling and according to your flight service provider. I'm going to answer a question which is frequently asked to me, that my luggage allowance is 30 kg. Can I pack in one suitcase? No, you cannot pack 30 kg in one suitcase. If you're allowed to carry 30 kgs, you must carry it in 2 bags, and in one suitcase you can only pack up to 23 kg. That is the standard rule. Like if you have 30 kg of allowance and you think that in one I will pack 25, another I will pack 5, that is not possible. You have to shuffle your luggage at the airport. So make sure your luggage or your suitcase does not have more than 23 kg of luggage. And if you are planning to carry lot of liquids which are more than 100 ml of packaging, make sure to put it in your check-in baggage. In that way you will be able to carry it to your destination. Other than that, make sure the liquids that you are packing with your other things like your clothes and stuff like that in the check-in luggage, you pack them really well, and also put a tag of handle with care at the airport. You'll get all these tags when you get your boarding pass. You just inform the officer over there that there are something which is breakable. They will put that tag on your luggage and you'll be good to go. So these were all the information that I wanted to share with you about the dimension and the size of your carry-on and check-in baggage. If you have any other question relating to this topic, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all and bye-bye.